MI की बात करें सर, आई थिंक एवरी यूनिट, बी इट बॉलिंग, बैटिंग, फील्डिंग, एवरीवन आर चिपिंग इन एंड परफॉर्मिंग. ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है कि हमारे पास ऑरेंज कैप होल्डर्स है और वो बैटिंग कर रहे हैं बाकी नहीं. So it has, what has been the main reason behind a total team performance this season?
I think we've prepared really well for this tournament. Like this is the first time in the history of IPL that coming into the tournament, every team has, starts off equally because of the current COVID situation. Not many of the players have got practice facility. Everyone is coming out from a big break of 4, 5, 6 months, maybe more or less. But yeah, it's pretty equal in terms of every franchise getting to prepare for the IPL. So, but I felt MI has always been a franchise where we put in a lot of effort into our preparations. And ever since the little ease that happened in the lockdown in Mumbai, we started to train. We got players whoever were there in India to Mumbai, they quarantined, and we sort of spent quality 2 months of practice. We didn't even know whether IPL was going to happen or not, but still we were preparing with the hope that it will happen. So that's how far we go as a franchise to prepare and to do well to get the desired results. But it all boils down to the preparation that we've done. And I was just talking to a few of my teammates and few of my mates here that this year we just feel 2 steps ahead of everyone. The way everyone is batting, everyone is bowling, the way we've hit form already. So we just feel we are ahead of most of the franchise at the moment. And it's a good sign. But the most important thing in this format or this IPL, this tournament, is that you have to peak in the business end of the tournament. So I hope that we sort of keep winning and we keep that momentum. Most essentially, we've got to just peak at the end, where we just unbeatable throughout the tournament. So I hope that happens.